Researching the market for a 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.